Make a great choice today with the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, tailgate step, trailer brake controller, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, Bluetooth, technology package, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, power sliding rear window, ventilated front seats, remote start, heated front seats, push button start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.